illegal wells. Correct. Very good, Ms. Lopez. These are my landing gear supports. They are properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, and free from illegal welds. My crank handle is properly mounted and secured, not cracked or broken. Right now it is in the locked position. It raises and lowers my dolly leg and sand paddle or foot. That's what this does. You crank it, it lifts that up. You crank it back down, it puts it back down. Log it on towards the back. We have our side marker or clearance light. This also functions as a four-way flasher, and on this side a left, on the other side a right turn signal. The lenses are properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. As I said, it's amber in color and it functions properly. We have airlines. Our airlines are properly mounted and secured, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts, and they are not leaking. Everything on Part C is going to be the same as Part B with slight variations. We have our spring hanger. We have our leaf spring, properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, free from illegal welds. All nuts and bolts are present. This is our torque arm. Our torque arm is properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, free from illegal welds.
Some they have
Some of them have
airbags, but this have no.
This particular one does not. But either. Fantastic. Okay. So the brakes are going to be the exact same. You got your brake line, your brake airline. There's also one back here. It's properly mounted and secured to the brake chamber. No abrasions, holes, or cuts, and it's not leaking. My brake chamber is properly mounted and secured with bands and clamps. Not cracked, bent, or broken, not leaking. If you look behind, you don't get behind the tires, and you can look and I'll show you the slack adjuster and push rod. Your slack adjuster is this piece right here. Your push rod goes into the chamber. They're attached with pins and keepers. They're properly mounted and secured. They're not cracked, bent, or broken. When my brakes are released by hand, they will move no more than 1 inch. If they do, I will have that adjuster perform on trip. On the inside of my tires, I can show you the brake drum. This big round wheel is your brake drum. Properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, free from illegal welds. This little skinny piece right here with the holes in it is your brake shoe. The thicker piece in between that and the drum is your lining. Both are properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. My lining is worn no less than 1/4 of an inch, which would be dangerously thin. There is no oil, grease, or debris in between the lining and the drum that would keep me from stopping. My tires, same as the other ones. Properly mounted and secured to my rim. The inner wall, the outer wall, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts. The face, worn evenly, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts. Tread depth no less than 2/32 of an inch. It is properly beaded and seated, properly secured to my rim. My rim is properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken, free from illegal welds. It's held on with lug nuts. All 10 are present and accounted for. Not cracked, bent, or broken. There are no signs of looseness, such as shiny threads or rust trails, or behind the lug nut distorted or long holes. This one actually has another axle seal. Properly bound, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present, and it's not leaking. Well, it's not supposed to leak, but this is leaking. My tire valve stem, properly bound, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. Cap is on tight, it's not leaking. If I want to check my tire pressure, I use a tire gauge on the valve stem. Make sure the tire is filled to manufacturer specifications. Everything that I check on my outside tires, I'm going to check the same on my inside tires, including the butt spacing. I always want to make sure if I've got 2 tires next to each other that they are not rubbing, chafed, and they are free from any debris, rocks, trash, whatever. amber in color. This is my corner clearance light. It is at the corner. I want to make sure I clear a turn, and it's a light. Corner clearance light. Red in color. This is not cracked or broken. Functions properly. Moving on to the back of my trailer. We have more clearance lights at the top. There are 3 of them. Red in color. Properly unsecured. The lenses are not cracked or broken. They function properly. My door is properly mounted secured. Not cracked or broken. All rivets are present. The cable that rolls up my door is properly mounted secured. Not cut with frayed, and raises and lowers my door appropriately. My door latch and my door handle are both properly mounted secured. All nuts and bolts are present. They function properly to open and close my door. You don't have to do that during your test. The door seal is properly mounted secured, not cut, torn, or frayed, and not leaking. Your DOT bumper is properly mounted. This is actually a lift gate, but for our purposes, it functions as a DOT bumper. Properly mounted secured, not cut, or broken, frequently weld, and DOT tape is supposed to be 100% clean and visible. This looks like crap. We don't want it to look like that. My license plate light down here is properly mounted secured. It's the only light back here that is not red. All the other lights are red. This one's clear. And it has to work properly to illuminate the license plate. These 4 lights are turn signals, 4-way flashers, brake lights, and tail lights. Those are the 4 purposes. The lenses are not cracked or broken. They're red in color. They function properly. Every single thing that I described on the driver's side of my trailer, I will also describe on the passenger side of my trailer. And that concludes part C. There's still no mas.
Tail lights is got the function for the tail.
Huh?
Tail lights.
The running
What function?
lights.
Oh, the running lights.
Yeah.
Okay.